Do you ever look at two things and see how they're the same? Today's word is about finding similarities. Welcome to Word Up with Sofia. Today's word is compare. Can you say it with me? Compare. Let's spell it together. C-O-M-P-A-R-E. That spells compare. Compare means to find similarities and differences between things. Here are some words that mean the same as compare. Say them with me. Match, like pairing socks that look the same. Contrast, like noticing how day is different from night. Weigh, like checking which backpack is heavier. Measure, like seeing who is taller in class. Liken, like saying an apple is similar to a pear. Each one shows how compare means finding what is the same or different. Now let's look at the opposites of compare. Ignore, like not noticing the two pictures at all. Isolate, like looking at one thing but not the other. Separate, like keeping toys apart without checking them. Distinguish, like saying only how things differ, not both sides. Disregard, like saying the differences and similarities don't matter. That's the opposite of comparing. Here's a great example. Sofia compared two books to see which one she liked better. Quick review. Compare means to find similarities and differences between things. Synonyms: match, contrast, weigh, measure, liken. Antonyms: ignore, isolate, separate, distinguish, disregard. Comparing helps you understand things more clearly by looking at details. Your challenge: compare two toys, snacks, or books and tell what's the same and what's different. Awesome! You compared things and spotted similarities and differences. Keep noticing similarities, explorers. Tomorrow brings another word up with Sofia.